Your assignment this week is going to read something like this. Write a Java class. It declares a name constant that holds the number of feet in a mile, and also declare a variable to represent the distance between miles between your and your uncle's house. And assign appropriate value to the variable. Compute and display the distance in miles and feet. And then they want you to convert it to a program that will be interactive, that will actually ask for information. And we're going to do something very similar to that, okay? But we're just going to calculate how many seconds there are in a year and then ask somebody, how old they are and so many seconds, okay? Let's go back to my template here that we just built, okay? And let's do a file, save as, okay? We're going to save this as code with me, C. Okay, got to change the name, of course. Code with me, C. Get rid of that little error. Okay, let's make sure that this stuff is all right here. This is rather than template. Now it's going to be code with me, C. Okay, date's still the same. Okay, looks good. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's create some final variables first, okay? Final. Okay, the first one's, let's see, int seconds in a min, okay? And of course that's equal to 60, semicolon. Final int minute in hour. Of course that again is equal to 60, huh? Semicolon. And final int hour in day is equal to 24, semicolon, and final int day in year, okay, is equal to 365, semicolon, okay. Got to create a variable for, let's see, how many years, okay. Here it's not a final, okay, because this could change, okay. Years. And start out with 5, okay, semicolon. And then also we're going to have to calculate seconds, okay, so let's make a placeholder or a variable for seconds like that. Let's just make that one 0 because we don't know what it's going to be for now. Okay, beautiful. There we go. Good. Okay, now input. We don't have any input yet because we aren't going to ask. We're just going to assign years to 5, and that's good enough, okay? Let's just go ahead and calculate seconds now, okay? Seconds is going to be equal to, let's see, years times day in year times hour in day times min in hour times sex in day. Oh, min. Okay, just like that, semicolon, okay? Make sure you don't have any mistakes in there. Okay, now let's do an output. Okay, let's output that seconds, okay? System dot out dot printf. Okay, and let's see, we're going to say something like you are placeholder D years old and placeholder D seconds old. Oh, not hold, old. There we go, like that. Okay. Beautiful. Comma. Let's see, we get years and seconds, like that, followed with a semicolon. Okay, let's go ahead and run it, see what happens. "5 years old and that many seconds, huh? Wow, that's a lot of seconds. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that input thing now. We're going to convert this, okay? Let's get an input here. Notice how we already added our scanner input thing in here. Okay, we're going to use that. First of all, you have to say something. You have to ask a question. So we're going to system.out.print. Notice no print line because you want to stay on the same line. Okay, and then this is going to ask something like that. Type how many years old? A semicolon like that, or colon, I mean, and quotation mark. Okay. In the next line, it's going to pause for a minute, okay? Because we're going to say seconds, years is equal to, and we're going to use that input. See how it's called input up here, variable called input. Dot next int, like that, okay? And there's no parameter in there. You don't see anything, okay? It works just like that. Okay? So now it's going to print this out, type how many years old, and then it's going to sit and wait, okay? And whatever you type in, it's going to stick it right into the variable years, okay? The only problem is there's no error catching in this, so if you make a mistake, it won't work, okay? But that's okay. Go ahead and run it, okay? There, how many years old? Make sure you put your cursor down here. I just turned 60 last year. That's a whole lot of seconds. Wow. Lots and lots and lots and lots. We have to copy this section right here now. We're going to put that in our results, okay? Right there. Put that right in our display results. Like that. Beautiful.